Alright, we are back at the Iowa Fireworks Farm in New Virginia, Iowa. 500 gram section. We're going to jump right into it with Megawatt by Brothers. 295 shots for $129. Yeah, Venom by Legend Fireworks. 49 shots for $74.99. We got Fireworks Complex Pioneers, 50 shots, $64.99. Tribute to the Troops, Great Grizzly, 63 shots, $70. 2-minute fireworks show by Black Cat, 63 shots, 2 minutes 8 seconds, $80. Spin right around here. We got the Brothers pack, the big bomb box, 144 shots because it's 4 cakes in one. 209 doll hairs. We got the Mount Rushmore assorted, 9-shot cakes, 229. We got the Mad Ox box, 64 total shots, 40 different colors, patterns, effects, 2,000 grams of powder, 4 cakes for $200. We got the Boom box, 4 packs, 52 breaks. Get 4 cakes for $200. We got Over the Line by Brothers, 22 shots, $50. I'm not even gonna try that. Brothers makes it. $57.99, 53 shots. You got Glory Days by Brothers, 23 shots, $43.99. We got Hustle Bustle, 24 shots, $44.99. We got Hitmaker, $41.99, 32 shots by Brothers. We got Night Shift, 24 shots, $42.99. We got Pharaonic, oh god, $44.99, 25 shots. We got Smackdown, $39.99, 28 shots. Shizo, yep, for $39.99, 26 shots. Sweet Spot, $54.99, 30 shots. You got Flashback, 28 shots, $43.99. Wheeler Dealer, $41.99, 32 shots. It's right here. And then Hydrogen Bomb, $57.99, 36 shots. It comes in that big boombox pack. Southern Comfort by Brothers, 30 shots. Let's see out here. $47.99. Neon Dreams, 30 shots. $54.99. You got Vegas Trip, $48.99, 30 shots. Yin and Yang, 33 shots, $46.99. We got Glitter Ball, 35 shots, $49.99. Gyga Gorgeous, 38 shots, $54.99. We got Zombie Town, 25 shots, $69.99. Swing over here real quick. We got nice little packs here. 4 cakes in the box. Nice 16 shots. Each cake. Price. Don't see a price on that. Royalty. 4 set of cake. Jack, Queen, King, Joker. $249.99. 16 shots a pop. Buddha Bang. Tiger Tooth. 66 shots. $54.99. Tiger Tooth. Fishing in the Dark. $64.99. 50 shots. Hit the Bone. 36 shots. $57.99. Yeah, Revolution. 20 shots. $41.99. By MC Fireworks. Yep, Tiger Tooth. Powder Pig. 29 shots. $50. We got Powwow. Tiger Tooth. 27 shots. $57.99. We got Open Fire by Brothers. 33 shots. $54.99. We got Yeah Baby Yeah. 28 shots. $45.99. We got, what is this? Air Boss. $59.99. 37 shots. Yowza. 21 shots for $54.99. Curtain Call by Brothers. 20 shots. $43.99. Yeah, Rainbow in the Dark. 19 shots. $46.99. And then Wind Chill is right behind it. $49.99. That's 18 shots. And I think that's going to wrap up this one too. I still have all of those to do. All of these to do. There's a lot here. Store's small, but it's packed. We'll see you in the next one.